It's been another sunny, dry and warm winter's day across South Africa on Wednesday, with a bit of cloud forming over the northeastern parts and some cloud pushing in from the southwest. That dry weather continues into Wednesday night with a cold night in store across the interior. Minimums will drop into the single digits and even below zero overnight. Dry weather continues as we head into Thursday, with some high cloud passing over the southern part of South Africa. We'll also see a bit of cloud pushing in over the eastern part of Mpumalanga, but a sunny day for the rest of the country and a warm afternoon overall. Hot temperatures are forecast over parts of the western and eastern Cape, as well as KwaZulu-Natal, with maximum temperatures peaking in the upper 20s and low 30s. We'll see a dry night across the country with no rainfall in the forecast. Light winds are expected over the central and northeastern interior on Wednesday night and Thursday. A southeasterly wind brings in some cloud over the eastern part of Mpumalanga, and you'll see moderate to fresh northwesterly winds settling in over the western and southern part of South Africa, with stronger gusts in the forecast. Overnight, Johannesburg can expect a clear but cold night with a minimum temperature of 6 degrees and a light southeasterly wind. That southeaster remains in the forecast right the way through to Thursday, where we can expect fine and dry weather with blue skies and sunshine overhead and a mild afternoon at 22 degrees. In the Free State, we'll see minimum temperatures dropping below zero overnight. 2 as we head towards Kimberley, 3 degrees for Uppington, 8 as we head towards Pretoria and Vredendal, 11 for Cape Town and Durban, in the mid-teens for East London, Bishu and Richards Bay. Mpumalanga drops to 9 degrees overnight. You'll see a warm winter's day across South Africa on Thursday, with highs in the mid-20s for Uppington and Kimberley, as well as Mahikeng, Pretoria and Mpumalanga, 28 for Pietermaritzburg as well as Graaff-Reinet, and you'll see a maximum temperature of around 30 degrees along the coast from George through to East London as well as into Bishu. A slightly cooler day for Cape Town though at 20 degrees. Dry weather continues across South Africa on Friday. You'll see a bit of cloud moving in over the northeastern parts of the cooler day and highs in the low and middle 20s. Still warm along the coast from George all the way through to Richards Bay, and that continues right the way through to Saturday with a maximum of around 30 along the eastern Cape coastline. Partly cloudy and a high of around 20 for Gauteng, with a few thundershowers in the forecast for Mahikeng at 21, and Cape Town can expect a cooler day as that cloud builds up ahead of a cold front which will move in on Saturday night. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy your evening.